Hello everyone, I've got a 1987 Jeep Wrangler YJ. It's got a 4.2 fuel injected 6-cylinder engine. It's got the crappy Peugeot 5-speed. It's got about a 4-inch lift, 32-inch BFGs. It's got a heavy-duty rear drive shaft with a SYE kit. It's got a sort of cool look to it. It's got the original stripes, very sunburnt paint, pretty solid tub. It's got a little spot there. That side looks pretty nice. It's got a little spot there. Runs excellent. Frame looks very nice in the front. It's got the typical spot there. And there. Heater box needs installed. Tires very dry rotted. .2 with factory fuel injection somebody has installed. Again, it runs great. Drives around the lot. Yeah, it's a project. No, you can't drive it home or test drive it. If you're interested, send us an email, give us a call. No trades, no financing. Show up with the money in a trailer and you can load this one up. 87 YJ, 4.2 Peugeot transmission. Thanks for watching.